place of youth.
Akiaria igongonaini riake kuhetuka kwa makurutu a NYS mwena wa gilgil kauntiini ya Nakuru. Mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto niakindirite ati gicunji kia 80% kia makurutu a NYS aria mehetukaga guku bururiini marihuthikaga hongeini cia ugitiri niguo guthondeka mieke ya mawira kuri mbeu njithi acio.
Tumeamua kama baraza la usalama katika taifa la Kenya kwamba wale wote watakaoajiriwa kwa jeshi la Kenya, kwa polisi wa Kenya, Kenya Forest Service, Kenya Wildlife Service, 80% watakuwa hawa vijana ambao wamefuzu kutoka National Youth Service.
Makiria Ruto niaugite ati kuona mbeu njithi ni manyitaga itemi inene hari ukuria wa bururi hongeini cia thirikari na cia andu kiumbe. Riu marongoreirie kuongerera namba ya makurutu aya o mwaka kwambiriria mwaka-ini ukite na thutha wa miaka 5 makorwo makioya makurutu matanyihiire 100,000.
Position it on the path of financial sustainability through revenue generation, thereby creating the conditions to support the expansion of enrollment to 100,000 young people annually in the next 5 years.
Na niguo gukinyaniria mubango ucio maabitha angi 500 ni maguthomithio na kwandikwo wira ni thirikari niguo guteithiriria hari guthomithia makurutu acio hamwe na maabitha angi 200 a cadet aria magukinyaniria githomo kiu kia makurutu na njira njega.
I have approved the modernization and the re-engineering of National Youth Service so that in February next year, we will have an additional 200 cadets that will be trained to enhance the capacity of National Youth Service to train more servicemen and women as we use NYS to grow the pool of young people that are job ready, that are ready to take up responsibilities in different sectors. Additionally, another 500 servicemen will be trained.
Na makiria kiranira ati kwa ihinda ria miaka 3 yukite ni makuongerera micara ya maabitha a ruhonge wa NYS na gicunji kia 40%.
Let me confirm that as the report was presented to me and to government, National Youth Service, beginning the next financial year for 3 years, their salaries will be increased by 40% going into the future.
Mutaratara-ini wa thirikari wa gwethera mbeu njithi mawira nja wa bururi riu mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto augite ati ruhonge rwa NYS ni ruo rurihuthikaga guthomithia mbeu njithi aria marithia mawira macio thi cia nanja niguo mahote gutaukwo wira wao kuona ati ruhonge rwa NYS rutongoragio ni githomo kia mitugo mikinyaniru na mirungaru.
We are concluding negotiations with another 8 countries on export of labor, and the National Youth Service is going to be the central organization for pre-deployment training so that Kenyans understand what they need to do when they go out for work.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Chege wa Wanjohi.
Mutongoria